Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to Tagaytay for the first time using our very first electric car, the GWM Aura 03. So okay guys, our starting point is the business center here in Alabang, Muntinlupa. Our battery percentage is at 57%. And the remaining range is 291 kilometers. So let's find out how many percentage of the battery will be consumed when we arrive in Tagaytay. So okay guys, starting kilometer reading is 1,046 kilometers. Alright. Exit. All right. All right. Oh, dito na yung ano. Hindi na doon. Oh, ano pa yun nandito? Okay, we are at Greenfield Rotonda. Alright. And that's Calax Cavite Laguna Expressway. Alright. See you in Tagaytay. So okay guys, we just arrived here in Aristocrat, Tagaytay. So battery percentage upon arrival is 45%. Remaining range is 232 kilometers. And actual final mileage is 1,085. So okay guys, let me do a little math. And we'll get back to you. So okay guys, the total distance traveled from Alabang to Aristocrat Tagaytay is around 40 kilometers, and during that trip the GWM Aura 03 consumed around 12% of the battery. That is considering Alabang to Tagaytay is mostly uphill. So okay guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think of the efficiency and battery consumption of the GWM Aura 03? Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to share this video, and if you're not yet my subscriber, kindly subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you for watching, guys.